So, what do you think about space?
Dang it. I never answered that question. I think
Well, I'm
space-
asking her now.
Oh.
What do I think about space?
Yeah.
Are you talking about planets? Or like
Just space in general.
your little space in the corner?
Just space that we live in. Our existence.
What do you think? Let's see. I think that we're not the only ones on the planet, because why would God make other planets or whoever rules the world?
So you believe in extraterrestrial life? That it?
I can't think about any other kind of space. I like Jupiter. That's my favorite planet.
Okay. Dark Lord Joey. What do you think about space?
Space. The final frontier. We all Star Trek. What I think about space. Are you talking about like the broad? How'd you put it?
That planet.
The ambiguous word space, or are you talking about what people call space as in outer space?
The ambiguous word space, which is outer space as well.
Yeah.
All space around us.
Well, if we were talking about space, we're technically in space right now. And us being on the planet, we're in outer space as well.
Yeah.
So, space is all around us. Space is occupied by nothing, and yet by so many different molecules that there literally is no such thing as nothing. Even in outer space, there is no such thing as nothing because there are constantly molecules and gases floating around. So technically, there is no space. Space is non-existent. Because when people refer to space, they mean an empty space, space that can be occupied, when technically it's always occupied. That's what I think about space.
You look like you have some objections. No?
Candid camera.
No? You do that, but it won't work.
I'm trying to think. It would pop out of my head. So I'm gonna be on this video camera.
We're in space, man. Man, we're in space.
Damn it, Joey.
What?
Damn it.
Man, we're in
He's
space.
so smart. Let's see. Please don't record me while I'm thinking. Can we redo the whole thing?
No.
I still didn't answer what space was. Space is a bunch of open
Why would
space.
we have planets
What?
without other human beings on it?
Space is a bunch of open space.
And then I have a planet Earth, which is in space. Which you're saying there's nothing in space, but we have Earth, and then we have Mars, Venus, Jupiter, you know, all of those. And we're all in this little space, like maybe a closet of God or something. Or like a space inside somebody up there's room, like he's playing with us, like those people that have planets.
Well, I talked about this with Seth because, like, how do you know anything's real when only you yourself know if it's real?
You don't know if anything's real.
I know.
But it looks real.
Like, how do we even know?
We could all be
Like,
imagining
I
this.
posed the question to space. How do you know that all that stuff that scientists say is out there when you've never been out there? It could be water up there for all you know.
No question.
How do I know if you
Can't
guys
be
are real?
answered. Exactly. We're not real.
I can't experience
We're
what
a
you're
figment
experiencing.
Of your imagination, Chauncey.
I mean, we could be in the Matrix for all we know.
We could be in that video game, and that video game could be us. We're all a bunch of
I
little
just want to
toys
use.
being
I don't.
played with.
Did I answer what I thought space was?
No.
Yes,
It's just-
it's on YouTube.
Please don't put me on YouTube.
Space. space.
Oh, the world
That's a
will
good
see
question
me.
to hit somebody with. Like, what is space really? Like,
I told you what
solar
space is.
system?
I told you what space is.
You
Yeah,
just-
you just did. Yeah.
Why are you doing,
Tegan, what
Tegan?
do you think space is?
So, like, technically, space is non-existent. The word space is nothing.
It's just a giant room,
No.
right? With nothing in it?
That's the thing, though. Even if you have a giant room, there is constantly something in it.
So that's
There is
no space? Is that what you call that? No space? If there's something in it?
There's constantly, like, in this room, this area right here, you would say there's nothing here, right? There is something there.
Well-
It is constantly being occupied
Tegan.
by space, by things that are there that we can't see.
Exactly. By molecules and particles.
Yeah.
You know, we have.
It's called science.
I can't do all that science.
Okay.
You too.